Hi everyone, I'm here to film a 1-year wear and tear review video for my beloved Palm Springs mini in the reverse monogram canvas with the black leather trimming. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this bag. So I brought out my proof of purchase in this orange envelope. This one I purchased the 9th of November 2017. So let me guys show you how much I paid for and everything right there. So this I got for, or it was originally $1,960. I paid $78.40 for taxes. So overall it was $2,038.40. So that's how much I paid for this little baby. And I believe it's still the same price. I might be like $10-20 off, but I'm pretty sure it's still the same size. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go over the wear and tear that I have noticed over the years, and then we'll go about the pros and cons. So first wear, you can kind of see as soon as you look at the item, is the leather tab right here. You can see that it's curled up, as well as these side leather tabs right here. The leather has just been curling inwards, so I thought that was kind of, you know, it's not too bad, but I've also seen most people mention that in their wear and tear reviews. This black handle is still really puffy and soft, so there's no wear on that. The glazing is also still intact on this item, or this top handle. And the side tabs, the tip glazing is wearing off. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this bottom one, the tip glazing is also wearing off. Another thing is that I wanted to mention is one of these started to fray a little tiny bit. Just the glazing of it. These little loops right here. I don't know how clear you guys can see, but it started to fray just a little tiny amount. Nothing too bad that I would want to send it in. The straps, the glazing is still really good. I did want to point this out. This is how I got the glazing on this part originally, so it's not anything that bothers me. I don't know if you guys can see. You see that little line right there? It came like that. And then another thing is the hardware. I do notice a little bit of tarnishing. It's tarnishing just a little tiny bit. But I'm pretty sure I can just get some brass cleaner and maybe just clean it up. The canvas is perfect, honestly. The corners, I do see a little bit of scuff marks on it. So let me show you, for example, this side. You guys see that? This top corner. It's kind of scuffed a little bit, but the canvas is still good. No cracking, no peeling, no scratches. And the interior, let me show you. It's still clean and nice. No stitching issues. I do want to mention that the date code, the leather piece of it did wear. See that? And the back side. You notice a little bit of fraying on it, but aside from all of that, it's honestly still really good. And the zipper, it's actually smoother now. It's easier to close it with things inside. Let me see. I just stuff some items in here to weigh the bag. Just so I can weigh the bag a little bit. Put some weight on the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate the zipper opening and closure. See? Really easy, no fuss. So I like it. Let's do the front. The front I don't really open and close, so it's a little bit more stiff. But it's still smooth compared to any other zipper. Can you hear that? But yeah, this top part, especially since I have this little chain that I bought from eBay, I'll link the seller and the item down below. Makes it easier, so much easier, because you have like something sturdy to hold on to. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag. It's beautiful. I use it all the time. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, wear it as a backpack, which I have the configuration as a backpack right now. And then I do have the little mini straps. Since I'm shorter, I do use the shorter ones to adjust it as a crossbody if I wanted to. But right now, like I said, I do have it as a backpack. And this little back padding is still really puffy. No marks, like no indentations or anything like that. It's so beautiful. And this bottom thing, I'm actually really glad that this bottom leather piece has stayed like underneath. I saw I saw some videos and some photos of people who own this item, and this little, it goes like that, and I don't really like that look, so I'm glad that it stayed at the bottom like so. And I know you can hang like scarves and sunglasses underneath there, but I prefer to keep it like this. So cute. I absolutely love this bag. The reverse monogram is my absolute favorite. If they came out with the Neverfull and the reverse, I'm probably gonna buy that because I love it so much. So cute. So I know you guys might be asking, since I did my comparison between this and my Pochette Metis in the monogram reverse just the same, where that Pochette Metis is. And I did end up selling it because I love, like I said in my original review video, I absolutely love the monogram reverse. However, that strap just was so uncomfortable for me. It just, and especially me because I usually like to wear it crossbody, it just wasn't very forgiving on my shoulders, and the straps was so thick and just like really harsh. And I don't even fill up that bag, honestly. I just put my necessities, which are keys, wallet, card holder, business cards, wipes, and a diaper. If not, I would probably just take off the wipes and a diaper depending on if I have my diaper bag that day. And it just wasn't comfortable for me, so I did end up selling it, and it did go to a very kind buyer. So if you're watching, I hope you're enjoying that bag. But yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'd love to see you back. Please subscribe and like the video. Thanks guys, bye.